Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to install the 25S2 on the virtual machine. So let's open the first of all Google Chrome, type here Windows 11 ISO and go to first link, and you can see here create media creation. You need to scroll down a bit until you can see this option, disk image 1. Okay, it's still not showing up here. So here is the option, click on confirm. Select the product language to United States or according to your country. Just click on confirm. Once you confirm that, you should be able to see this 64-bit download option. Now keep the location where you want to install it. Just click on keep, save, and it will be downloaded after some time depending on your internet speed. Now the second software we need is Virtual Box download. Go to this download options and simply download this Windows host. So 7.2 is latest one here and 25S2 is the latest one, this one. So I have just downloaded it today as well, and VirtualBox, you just need to double click on this setup.exe. Once you have launched the virtual machine and install the VirtualBox, simply open that up and you should be able to get the another kind of Windows, but new option you should be able to get it if there is no virtual machine on it. Click on new and name it Windows 11, and this is the default location. You can keep the default location as it is, this is recommended, but I want to change it to another location, to D drive, and making the folder Windows 11 25S2 like so, and select option disk image. You can select here other and go to the download. Here you can see this is the latest ISO file, and Windows Home Edition is selected here. That is not recommended as for now, but you can choose whatever you like. Okay, just I'm choosing that option. Later on we have the another option as well. Untick this option, proceed with unattended setup, and hit the next option. This is the hardware section guys. 4.96, that means almost 4 GB. So this is minimum required, and 2 cores is minimum required for it. So let's give it 4 now, and 80 GB memory, 80 GB hard disk is showing up here. That is up to you. To just show you, I am giving it to 60 GB. Then click on next, and we are good to go with finish option. Then right click. Some of the settings you can change from here, like display setting already selected up. Network adapter card, you can select a NAT or bridge one, that is up to you. So just click on OK. Now launch the machine simply, and it's very easy to install the Windows 11 on your VirtualBox. Powering up VM. Now new window should come up like this. Press any key, hit enter or any key whichever you want. You can scale it to full screen. Now click on next, and install Windows 11. Just click on next, accept terms and condition, next, enter the product key. I will do it later, so you can select this option. Now Windows 10 Home Edition or Pro, whatever you like, you can choose that option. I am selecting Home Edition for now. Accept. This is the virtual disk. We have selected that 60 GB that is showing up here. Next. And you can see Windows 10 Home keep nothing option. That's great. Now this will take some time depending on your configuration of the system. Now
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
choose your country. Okay, I'm selecting here. Next. You can turn this off option, volume. Keyboard language, selecting US. Next. Skip it. If you see this kind of window, just connect your internet. Now once you connected your internet, it should come up. So next. Skip for now. Now you can sign in with your Microsoft account, and if you want to set up a local account on your computer, so you need to press Shift and F10 key, or Function and Shift and F10 key. So I have created the local account into my virtual machine, and I will link also video how you can also create the local account. But if you want to create your Microsoft account as well, so sign in option is showing up there, and these up to you guys. I'm not enabling any of the options. Now we have successfully installed the Windows 22H2 on the virtual machine. Okay, so if you want to minimize this screen, you can go here and click on view full screen, and also scale to full screen. So this is how, guys, you can install the Windows 11 using the latest version on it. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.